Have you noticed your legs feeling heavy, swollen, or painful after just a short walk? Or your knees refusing to bend as easily as they once did? Many people over 50 wake up every morning with stiff joints, puffy ankles, and skin that no longer feels firm. These changes can be frustrating and even scary, making everyday activities like gardening, climbing stairs, or simply walking to the store feel like climbing a mountain. It can feel as though your body is betraying you, taking away your independence. But here's the shocking truth. Most of these problems are not just about aging. They're often linked to the gradual loss of something your body once produced in abundance: collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. Think of it as the glue that holds everything together. It makes up nearly a third of all the protein in your skin, bones, muscles, and joints. It keeps your skin firm and elastic, your joints cushioned, your bones strong, and even supports your blood vessels and digestive system. Without enough collagen, your skin begins to sag, your wounds heal slower, your hair and nails become weak, and most importantly, your joints and legs lose their flexibility and strength. The problem is that after the age of 30, your collagen production starts to decline every single year. By the time you hit 60, your collagen levels may have dropped by more than 50%. That's when people often notice aching knees, stiff hips, swollen ankles, and reduced mobility. In fact, a study published in the journal Osteoarthritis and Cartilage confirmed that a lack of collagen is directly connected to the breakdown of joint cartilage, which can lead to arthritis and severe mobility issues. Clearly, collagen isn't just about beauty or reducing wrinkles. It's about keeping your body moving, your legs strong, and your independence intact. And here's the good news. You don't need to rely only on expensive supplements or painful injections to restore collagen. Nature has already given us foods that are rich in collagen, or that help your body produce more of it naturally. By adding these powerful foods to your diet, you can give your body the building blocks it needs to repair cartilage, reduce swelling, fight inflammation, and even improve your skin and hair health. So today, let's go through the 8 collagen-rich foods you must eat to say goodbye to swelling and protect your legs and joints after 50. The first food is bone broth, one of the oldest healing remedies in history. For centuries, people simmered animal bones for hours, sometimes days, to extract collagen, gelatin, amino acids, and minerals. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that bone broth is a natural source of collagen peptides that can directly support your joints and connective tissues. When you sip warm bone broth, you're literally drinking the raw materials your body needs to rebuild cartilage and strengthen your knees and hips. The gelatin in bone broth also heals your gut lining, which is important because modern research proves that poor gut health increases inflammation throughout the body, worsening swelling in your legs and joints. Drinking even one warm cup a day, especially during the cooler months, can be a soothing, healing ritual for seniors. The second food is chicken skin and cartilage. For years, we were told to avoid chicken skin because of its fat, but modern science shows that chicken cartilage is one of the richest natural sources of type 2 collagen, the very type that makes up joint cartilage. You don't have to eat fried skin to benefit. Instead, cook chicken with the skin on in soups, stews, or broths, and let the collagen slowly release into the liquid. This way, you get the joint healing benefits without overloading your diet with unhealthy fats. The third collagen-rich food is egg whites, a simple kitchen staple. Egg whites are packed with proline, one of the most important amino acids your body uses to create collagen. A study in the Nutrients Journal explains how proline plays a vital role in maintaining skin elasticity and strong cartilage. At number 4, we have fish and fish skin, an underrated but powerful source of marine collagen. Studies published in Marine Drugs Journal show that marine collagen is especially easy for the body to absorb compared to other sources. This type of collagen is rich in type I collagen, which is crucial for strong tendons, ligaments, and healthy skin. Eating fish a few times a week can be a delicious way to support your legs, your heart, and even your brain health. The fifth food is citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. While they don't contain collagen themselves, they are loaded with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen production. Without vitamin C, your body cannot properly form collagen. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, higher vitamin C intake is linked to healthier skin, stronger joints, and even reduced risk of arthritis. Number 6 is berries, like blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. These colorful fruits are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your body from free radical damage, which is one of the hidden causes of joint pain, swelling, and inflammation. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that berries reduce oxidative stress and support the body's ability to preserve collagen. They're also high in vitamin C, giving your body the fuel to produce new collagen. For seniors, this means you can enjoy a sweet treat that also keeps your legs less swollen and your skin more youthful. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or just snack on a handful daily. The seventh collagen-boosting food is leafy greens, including kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. Their vibrant green color comes from chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase the precursors your body uses to make collagen. Leafy greens are also rich in magnesium and vitamin K, two nutrients that support strong bones and healthy blood flow. Better circulation helps reduce swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet, something many seniors struggle with. Even a simple green salad or adding spinach to soups and stir-fries can boost your collagen and help keep your joints flexible and pain-free. Finally, number 8 is the surprising collagen protector, garlic. Most people know garlic lowers cholesterol and supports heart health, but few realize it also helps preserve collagen. Garlic is loaded with sulfur compounds, which are crucial for collagen production and for preventing its breakdown. Now, let's bring this all together. For seniors, joint pain and swelling are more than just minor annoyances. They can keep you from doing the things you love, whether it's playing with your grandchildren, walking in the park, or tending your garden. The good news is that your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you give it the right tools. Collagen is that tool. If you're ready to take control of your health, start small. Maybe today you can sip on a warm cup of bone broth, sprinkle garlic on your dinner, or add some berries to your breakfast. Over time, these small steps add up, giving your body the collagen it needs to stay strong, flexible, and full of energy. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Senior Health Guide, and share it with your family and friends. Together, we can spread the knowledge, reduce pain and swelling, and help every senior live with strength, confidence, and independence. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.